guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Vanita.
Hi, I'm Preeth.
Today we're doing another hotel review for you, and it is
The Holiday Inn Express in Farmington, New Mexico. Why would we stay here?
Why would anyone go to Farmington, New Mexico?
All right, so when we were in Santa Fe, we went to a little place called Meow Wolf, went to Albuquerque, approaching the lower part of Utah. So there's a place that we wanted to go to, which is called the Four Corners. It is like the midpoint between Colorado, Utah, Arizona, and New Mexico. So we were looking for a hotel that was close to it. Four Corners, pretty much all of this is Native American reservation land, so there's not a lot of hotel chains that are in this area, so we needed to find, like, I guess the next biggest city. We were pleasantly surprised. So we drove from Albuquerque and got there. 2-lane highways, it's kind of, the town just comes out of nowhere. But Vanita is, she's gonna talk about what it was like. So just so you know, parking, it's free parking. There's a lot of space outside.
Price.
And the price of the hotel was $127, I think, for the night.
Yeah. So yeah, once again, we had been driving all day. Our next thing is the Four Corners. So we were trying to just find a hotel around there, and we looked at this one. The reviews were great. It looked clean and safe and on our way, so we just booked it. So parking was great. The guy was really friendly who greeted us. It was very late at night, I think. It was almost midnight.
Probably one of the friendliest people there.
Yeah.
And you could tell that he took pride in there. And they were under renovation, so the main lobby area, there was seating area because you get free continental breakfast. And you like the breakfast, you said.
Yeah, I'll get into that in a second. So the guy was just letting us know that they were in the middle of some construction, which was okay. And there was a little tiny convenience store attached to the lobby. So if you needed anything to buy, you could.
We got up to our room.
Yeah.
Pretty cool room, simple. There was a little kitchenette in there.
Yes.
Fun bathroom. So you could, it was one of those bathrooms where you probably would see this at a trade show, but there was a big closet and they put a tub in there, a toilet, and it felt like flexible. Everything flexed a little.
Yeah.
But it was, I really enjoyed it. And she kept saying throughout the entire night, this is the nicest hotel room. She loved it for some reason.
I don't know, like being on the road for so long, I just was like, and it was such a long room. Like when you walk in, there's a long kitchen sink and then a bathroom on your right. And then just a really long hangout area. There was a sofa, a sink, and a giant mirror. And then beyond that was a giant bed, or king-size bed, and then a TV. And I don't know, I thought it was so unique that and maybe I was just so tired from the day, but it was very comforting, and it was clean. I was comfortable walking around without my shoes on. I was like, this is great. Chewy loved it.
We got Domino's that night.
Yeah, we just ordered some pizza, which was great. The guy came up to our hotel.
No, he didn't come up to our hotel.
Or he came to the lobby.
He went to the lobby, then the lobby guy called us because he signed for us and he did
was
everything.
Like, your pizza's here.
Yeah,
we were
it
like,
was so
thanks.
fun. Yeah.
It turned out to be pretty fun. And then the next morning they give us a free continental breakfast. It's nothing crazy fancy, but they had a lot of variety. They had toast and bagels and cereal and lots of fruit.
Drinks that
coffee,
you like?
and just really, I was greeted with like friendly families in the morning.
Yeah.
So I would definitely stay there again, to be honest. And
I think,
what else?
I think pretty much the route from Albuquerque in that area, you don't have much variety to choose from, but I would say that this was safe, it was pleasant.
It was clean.
And yeah, it was very,
and it was
very
reasonably
clean.
priced. Yeah. So if you are planning a trip around the area, or you want to go see Four Corners, or if you're like heading into New Mexico, stop there. It's a great one night spot.
And just to let you know, it's only an hour away from Four Corners, the hotel. 63 miles to be exact, so I think that's why we chose it. So less than an hour away.
Yeah, so because we had been driving all day. But anyways, totally recommend this place for a quick stop. It was quiet, and even though they were doing construction, it didn't really bother us. And I'm a very sensitive sleeper. So it was great.
Fully recommend this place if you need to go to Four Corners. It's, in my opinion, the best hotel in the area.
Thanks for watching.
Have a nice night.
Bye.